How to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And after that, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on see more in account center. And here, once you are inside the account center, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on password and security. And now here in this section, you will see the option labeled as two-factor authentication. So simply tap on it. And now here, simply select your Facebook account. And after that, you can select the options to enable your two-factor authentication. Now here you can either turn on the authentication through SMS, WhatsApp, or the security keys. So here just select your option and tap on next. And after that, you simply have to put in your phone number where the Facebook will send the code to, and with that, you just have to enter the code sent to your phone and generate the authentication app, and there you just have to tap done to activate two-factor authentication. And with that, Facebook will allow you to add backup codes in case you lose access to your primary method, and with that you can save them somewhere safe. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.